Russian Telegram channels are publishing videos allegedly showing a Ukrainian Flamingo missile flying over Moscow on the night of October 27th. At that time, explosions were heard in the Russian capital, and Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin reported that a drone attack had been repelled. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, the attack was the largest in recent times. The ministry stated that air defense forces had allegedly shot down 34 drones heading for Moscow. There is no confirmation that the Flamingo missile was used during the attack on Moscow. However, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Ukraine has already used domestically produced Flamingo and Ruta missiles against the enemy. He said this while speaking with journalists. The head of state noted that both missiles had seen combat use. However, he did not provide any details. Zelensky emphasized that Ukraine is doing everything to ensure that these are not isolated uses of the missiles but significant ones. Explosions are also occurring in other Russian cities. For example, on the evening of October 22nd, explosions were heard in the Russian city of Kopeysk near Chelyabinsk. The incident occurred at a military plastics factory. According to official data, 13 people were killed at the facility. Local authorities claim that the cause of the incident was allegedly a violation of safety regulations. At the same time, local residents reported online about a drone attack.
Just now a guy came by from the plastics plant. He said he was all scraped up, covered in blood. He said that 3 drones flew in.
And on October 21st, the defense forces struck the Bryansk chemical plant. According to the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, the strike was carried out, among other things, with air-launched Storm Shadow missiles, which managed to penetrate the Russian air defense system.